be using the formula once again, and I already wrote it down. Area equals half base times height. We're going to first write it down and then we plug underneath. Once you start realizing that once you plug underneath, it's easier for you to make sure you remember to take half. A lot of times the kids, when they don't write the formula down, they forget to do half. So remember, if you literally drew this in to make it into a rectangle shape, you would then find half. A lot of kids do that. They make it a rectangle and then they find half of the rectangle. I mean, you can do it so many different ways. But let's begin. So our base has already been told to us, which is 9. And we know that the height is 7 because it's by the red dashed line, which you're going to find very easily. So we're going to put half. Now remember, these are all being multiplied together. You'll know that blah, blah, blah. They're being multiplied together because they're all stuck to each other. I kind of put a little bit space here so I have room to write. But I'm going to rewrite the formula here with the numbers underneath. Half times, my base is 9 feet. This time I'm going to put the label in because I want to show you something. But I don't ever put the label in. I just want to show you something real quick. The height is 7 feet. Okay, now I can do half of 7, I could do half of 9, or I could multiply 9 times 7 and then take half. They're all being multiplied, so the order doesn't matter. Sometimes I might choose to do it one way because it's just easier. If I took half of 9, I get 4.5. I'm going to use a decimal here. I don't want to work with fractions. Feet. Times, bring down the 7 feet. I didn't use that. There's a reason why I'm putting the label in. I don't ever put the label in, but I want to show you something. Now I've got to multiply these two. 4.5 times 7. I don't know about you, but I like to do this horizontally. Boom. 4.5 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 3 is 31. And I put my decimal in a second. I have one number after the decimal, so I go 1 decimal. Notice how I left that space intentionally. Okay, so why did I put the labels down? Because I just did 4.5 times 7, and I got 31.5. Now I'm going to go feet times feet, and that is why I've got square feet. Normally I wouldn't put the labels in, but I wanted to show you how that works. So that is my answer.